Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dennis Jarvis, and you are the lucky people chosen to see my presentation about the amazing planet on which we live. So it says at the railway crossing, stop, look and listen. We live on the only planet supporting human and animal life. I don't know why Earth was chosen, but I'm sure glad that it was. We have sun and rain on this Earth that provides everything we need to survive.
So here we are, all travelling at 1,000 miles per hour on a planet that's tilting by 23.5 degrees. So, why did we get thrown off? And what difference does the tilt make? Good question. The answer's on the next slide. It's gravity, because the pull of the Earth's mass attracts objects to its surface, including us, which is why we're able to stand or sit here comfortably without any feeling of motion. Gravity makes space travel very difficult. The trick is to travel out at 7 miles per second, providing you're wearing the right spacesuit and travelling in a suitably shielded rocket-powered spacecraft. It's a doddle. Return is not so easy. Any of you would-be astronauts need to have a head for heights and mathematics. You wouldn't want to be shriveled up by returning on the wrong trajectory after enjoying a panoramic view of the Earth's surface. The Moon's main effect on Earth is that its gravitational pull causes high and low sea and ocean tides that can vary significantly relative to its position as it circles Earth. Earth circles the Sun on an elliptical route on its tilted axis, and it's this tilt that creates the seasons. Over its yearly circle, different parts of Earth receive the Sun's most direct rays. It's summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere when the North Pole tilts towards the Sun. Therefore, when the South Pole tilts towards the Sun, the opposite occurs.
Earth produces enough of all the products on this slide to meet the needs of everyone in the world, if they are shared out equally. Next, we will look at each product individually to see how they are produced. The two products mentioned on this slide each provide 50% of the Earth's oxygen. Oxygen is produced by photosynthesis. Water vapor rises from these into the atmosphere and condenses into clouds as it rises into cooler air. It falls back to Earth as freshwater rain. Humans, animals and plants all need water. It's worth remembering that all edible products initially start in the earth, seas and rivers. Animals and birds eat plant food to grow. Fish eat sea or river water plants. Both can also be carnivorous and prey on other animals, birds or fish, that have also eaten plants to survive.
Most buildings are built using a combination of the products on this slide. Architects have to design and specify the buildings that are then created by people and machines. A mix of brain, brawn and machines has over the years created many beautiful buildings. All of these products can be found on or under the earth and have many different uses. For instance, diamonds are used for machine tool cutting blades, as well as engagement rings and other jewellery. Silver is used in electronics and other industrial products. And gold. You're all too young to have gold teeth, but will find gold in aerospace, electronic and other industrial products. Until we have more wind and solar power, coal, oil and gas will continue to power most items in everyday use.
At this point in time, we're going through a climate crisis that needs to be resolved, and everyone should be working to reduce carbon emissions. I hope you have found this presentation interesting and will be able to answer all the questions on this slide from the presentation and other studies in physics and chemistry. Wishing you all a successful future. Bye for now.